Hi friend, good morning. Let me welcome all of you. It's my pleasure to be with you and express few of my experience. Hope it will help you somewhere in your life. These days corona is spreading like anything, and situation is that 16,000 17,000 per day positive corona cases are cropping up, new cases cropping up. It is not a good health of the country. It talks very bad about our country, and it is not only in our country. So let me say that at the globe, irrespective to any country, the corona is spreading like anything and taking the life of the people. Corona, no doubt, it is a bad patch on the part of our life. Very difficult time, very challengeful time, very ill atmosphere creating time, but anything is having double impact. Double impact. Moreover, any coin having two parts, two sides. One may be head, other may be tail. One may be good, other may be bad. So impact of corona, today I am talking to you how it will give a disciplined life. You will accept that our life was very hanky and panky these days before corona. No time schedule, no commitment to life, no proper use of time, no value of our eternal value, no proper thoughts, very humpy dumpy way to live the life. मॉर्निंग वॉक करने जाना है, दोपहर का वॉक करने जाते हैं, शाम को वॉक करने जाना है, रात में वॉक करने जाएंगे, रात में सोना है तो रात में जगेंगे, दिन में सोना है तो दिन में जगेंगे. कुछ तो डिसिप्लिन नाम की चीज़ें काफ़ी हमारे लाइफ से गायब हो चुकी थी. इट वॉज वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट दैट इट शुड बी ब्रिंग बैक ऑन द proper track, and that's the reason lot of yoga center, exercise center, health awareness program was slowly and steadily coming in the picture of our life. Even yoga and exercise at the work also few companies, few organization was doing. Now how corona having bad impact, how it is going to give some good thing in our life. Very first and foremost thing that now post corona or even during corona, our life become more disciplined. We started thinking about a disciplined life, proper life. How? You have to walk out of your house when it is not that my mind is saying to go to walk to park or to anywhere, so I am free to my mind and I will move according to that. No. Now corona says that during corona period there is the guidelines that when need arises then you walk out of your house, otherwise you rest and relax sitting in your house. Do some work which you can do from your house. As far as precaution to health is concerned, health is wealth. It is said, health is wealth. And if health is there, then everything is there. So during the corona period, now guidelines has been issued from WHO, ICMR and Indian government, including local government, that put the mask so your nose, your mouth is covered. So in inserting the insect inside the body starts from nose and mouth oftenly. If your nose and mouth are always open, then there is more chances of entering of the any kind of the bacteria, any kind of the disease oriented insect. So corona now says that you have to put the mask round the clock. You have to have the gloves in your hand. Clean your hand by soap or whatever you are having in your house, maybe detergent also, not fair but detergent also. At least 5 to 6 times, 7 times you keep on washing your hands and then put the gloves. Not necessary, it is not in guidelines, but better to cover your head also. You have to have the personal protective equipment, means whatever normal beer and tear you are having, on that you have to have the, it's like a coat. It's like a coat but not coat. It is it can be, it is very I mean to say it is made of the plastic and very fulka, which like a apron. Earlier we used to wear the apron, so same like made of the plastic, you know, this is the PPE is there, and your shoe is also covered with the PPE made shoe cover. So these things you have to have very often, rather always, and it will form the lifestyle. So you will start living a disciplined life, that हमको ये करना है तो कोई compromise नहीं है, we have to do this. You have to have the hygienic food. It is not that anything is being cooked on the road or anywhere and मेरा मन कह रहा है तो मैं खाऊंगा. नहीं, मेरा मन कह रहा है कि अब कोरोना से बचो. कोरोना से बचने के लिए आपको अगेन एक हाइजीनिक डिसिप्लिन डेवलप करना पड़ेगा. हम क्या खाएं, कहाँ खाएं और बाहर क्यों खाएं. नाउ द क्वेश्चन विल अराइज इन दिस फॉर्म, एंड if more need is arises that you should have the good food from the hotel, so very rarely people are going and having over there, rather they are calling the food at the place and enjoying it. So corona having big impact in on our life. Other side of the corona, other part of the corona is that it gives a better and disciplined life to the people at the globe and in our country also. We will be very crystal clear in our thoughts, in our approach. What should be our lifestyle? What should be our hygiene system? What should be our lifestyle? It is not that anything and everything we are ready to do in very hanky-panky way. No. So, be ready. are already knock, the change is knocking your door and saying that Mr. XYZ, start living the life this way. Cleanliness, very important part of the life. It was, I am not saying that it was not, it was, but now it is the compulsory and mandatory on the part of each one of us. How to meet the people, how to celebrate, very few things, that if any marriage party etc. is taking place, then more than 50 people should not be there. You remember? 1,000 people used to come in the marriage. 2,000 people used to come in the marriage. And if you are any prestigious person, then maybe how many people may participated? 5,000 people, 8,000 people. But minimum at the lower middle class people also, if marriage was happening, then it was not the less than 300 people's gathering, 200 people's gathering. So this also will be in very disciplined. If any death is occurring, then it is not that in the poor people's death hardly 2, 4, 5 people used to go, and in the big people's, if it was happening, then 1,000 people, 2,000 people, 5,000 people were going in the that place to perform the final and right rituals. This also will be now well disciplined. At any death, more than 20 people will not gather, either at his house or at the place of the where he is going to be buried, or he is going to be burned, whatever circumstances takes place. In nutshell, I am about to share with you, or rather I am sharing with you, that during now corona and post corona, a disciplined life is designed. So change yourself to accept it and live a better and good healthy life. Thank you very much.